Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Johnny, and if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, please subscribe and click the little bell to my channel so you don't miss anything. Alright, today I have another exciting video for you. It's my Robinhood update, week 22, and we're doing good. Let's just say that. We are having some steady profits that I am collecting, as well as steady growth on some companies. So let's go ahead and get into it. Friday, I was up about $3. I've been averaging Fridays anywhere from $5 to $10 for the single day. For some reason, Friday it was only around $3. I am up 17, almost $18 for the week. $41 for the month. $213 for the past 3 months. And all in all, since August 15th, $245 of profit, which is 60% of my portfolio. So we are doing good. Can't wait to get to that $1,000 mark. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into some of the stocks I am currently holding. I'm currently holding 6 shares of ROYT. They have a earnings per share that is now profitable, as well as DNR. I've been watching these stocks back since August, and they were having negative earnings between, I think, 1 and 2 cents. Now they're in the positive earnings per share of, I think, around like 4 cents or so. So DNR, I have 9 shares of that. Zynga, I have 2 shares. NYRT, I have 2 shares. And again, on the side here, you are seeing my total profits and losses. I do like to show that instead of the last price, because anybody can look at the last price of a stock, but not everybody can see how others are doing with the stocks, and I like to show that. So glad I am 1 share in. Gain, AMD 2 shares, Ford. And as you can see, those are profitable. Now we're getting into some negative returns for the moment. CEFL, YYY is the name of the company. I'm not saying that because my shares are are losing money. YYY is a pretty cool little dividend company. DSLV, MUINTC, Applied Materials, AMAT, ABT, LUV, ABBV, and JPM. So as you can see on JPM, I am already up $2.07, and we'll probably keep that going up. Some companies that I am currently watching right now that I might buy into are right here. I'll just kind of scroll down for you to show you some examples and maybe even pique your curiosity on some of these stocks. Riot is another good one. It's a new blockchain stock. PFE, it seems like everyone on the kind of stock market on Robinhood basically is kind of has a lot of shares in PFE. GM, just some stocks that I've been looking at. NOBL. Sometimes I get my stocks from news, from any of the stock market channels, MSNBC, The Street. I like Jim Cramer's monthly stock calls. I'll look at a variety of different ways to research stocks and eventually get in. Like Visa, I was in on Visa a while back, sold for profits. And then, just I got a share of Facebook one time for free, and so I sold that for profits. And Nvidia, I had got in at 188 and sold for profits. Basically, yeah, so these are some other stocks that I really want to get into. I do need to have a little bit more money to get in on these, but eventually I will, and I can't wait. And I like looking at these other big stocks. I've been trying to find at least a stock for every kind of price point, like 100, 200, 300, and then I found price points for 1,000, 1,300, 1,900. I even found some for 3,000, 4,000, and then Berkshire Hathaway A I like to see that. 315,000 for that. And that is up $5,000 on just Friday alone. And then I kind of trade off UGAS and DGAS simultaneously. UGAS has been steadily going up. But any information on what stocks I watch or stocks I own, go ahead and just let me know. Real quick, I want to go over some history. I do have a lot of history now for the 8th. It's a common misconception that you're only allowed to like buy 3 stocks a day, but the misconception with that is you're not going to be flagged as a day trader unless you buy and sell the exact same stock the exact same day. So what I do is I buy, like look at right here, I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean, I bought quite a few shares on the 8th. And then say on the 9th, I'll sell those shares so I don't get flagged as a pattern day trader. So I do have a lot of buys, and it's a misconception that you can only buy so many stocks, and that's wrong. I bought quite a few stocks here. Glad, Gain, Triple Y, ROYT, Zynga, AVIR. I bought a lot of these different stocks, sold Microsoft and Apple to get more equity, to just get into more stocks. NYRT, CLM, CEFL, Good, AMT, SMDV. So I had a busy week. Like, look at all these buys for January 8th. IGC, ROYT, DNR. I bought all those on the 8th and didn't get marked one time for a pattern day trader. Why? Because I didn't sell any of those shares that I bought the same day. Okay, I'm more of a swing trader than a day trader. And then I made a deposit on the 9th, 2 deposits on the 9th. I wanted to get some more money in here. Bought DSLV, sold Chesapeake, I bought some more AVIR, more DNR, I bought MU, bought NSPR, I bought another AVIR. I think those shares were only like 70 cents or something, so it wasn't too bad. I did get a free share from Robinhood. It was Snap for $14.18. I bought more NSPR, DNR, sold my GE, bought NYRT on the 10th, and then finally sold off on the 10th of my AVIR, locked in I think about $1 profit. NSPR I sold for I think about like a 50-cent profit. I got another free share of Zynga from Robinhood, put another $10 in on the 11th. Ended up selling my SMDV for $55, CLM for $16, Good for $19, bought JPM that day for $110, sold IGC, bought some more ROYT, sold, oh no, that was canceled, sold Snap finally, that was my free share. I bought some more AMD to average down, and then I bought more ROYT at a dip. And that's pretty much it. And then on the 11th, I put in another $3, you know. Like, it's not like I'm putting a lot of money into my account, but it is steadily growing. And I believe the only day trade I got for the week was that NSRP. Yeah. I'd bought it, and then I seen it kind of dip a little, and I got a little nervous, and I didn't want to even have to deal with it. So I just sold it the same day. And so, see, this says a day trade is the purchase and the sell of the same stock on the same day. This section tracks the day trades you've made within the last 5 trading days. So I've only made 1 day trade. I got 2 more that I could do before eventually getting locked out. Like, you could do your 3 day trades, but don't do a 4th one. And that's kind of a misconception that a lot of people have. So that's why I buy a lot of stocks, and then I could sell a lot of stocks the next day without getting flagged as a pattern day trader. So if you like this video and you like what I'm doing, please like and comment. You could also share this with family or friends who you might think it is helpful. And other than that, guys, I want you guys to have a great week coming up. You know, I started this account with $0, and I'm able to grow it to $650 since August 15th. And I'm not stopping here. Once I hit 1,000, I believe I'll start being able to make $25 a week a little bit more easily, as well as get up to a even a $3,000 mark where I could start making anywhere from $50 to $75 a day. So If you like what I'm doing, again, like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Goodbye.